What's a must-do during your day or weekend on the water? Whatever your answer, make sure it includes a cleanup process at the end of your trip. Follow along as we give you 3 easy steps to remember when cleaning your boat after an awesome day on the water. Before you head back to the dock, it's a great idea to look over your gauges and make sure that everything's functioning as it should. This will save you a massive headache the next time you go to take the boat out. After your trip, be sure to look over your propeller, transom bolts, and oil if possible. If you have to tow your boat back and forth to the lake, you should always be sure to attach your transom strap. This will prevent any damage occurring while traveling down the road. To attach it, we're going to release our ratchet, bring our hook up to the lifting points on your boat. Each manufacturer has a different place for them, but for the most part, they're going to be in the rear of the boat or possibly on the platform itself. Once we have it attached, we will just tighten like a normal ratchet, and now we're secure. While we're down here, a great thing to check is make sure there's no damage to any of your underwater gear. This includes the propeller, rudder, drive shaft, strut, and on some inboards, tracking fins. Visually, we want to just make sure there's no bends, dings, dents, anything like that, and for sure no missing material. If there is, be sure to contact your local service department for help immediately. While you're under the boat inspecting for any other damage, another easy thing to check is your drive shaft alignment. The way we would check this is by first making sure the boat's in neutral. We'll then reach in, grab one of the blades of the propeller, and try to spin it. If we can spin it freely without any excess force, this indicates to us that there's no bend or binding on the drive shaft itself, meaning that it's in good condition. As you leave the boat, be sure to grab any trash, food items, gear, or personal belongings. Not only is this good practice, but this will prevent bugs, mold, and mildew from making a home inside your boat. If there's any items that you want to leave in the boat, such as wakeboards, ropes, or life jackets, you can certainly do so. The best thing to do with these items are to pull them out of any compartment they may be in and allow them to air dry. This is going to prevent any mold or mildew from building up in the compartments. Another easy thing to keep your boat looking great is when you're pulling this stuff out of the compartments, check for any dirt or wet spots in there. If you can wipe down anything in the compartments or dry up any water that may be in there, this is going to keep your boat looking great for the lifetime of ownership. After you removed all your belongings from the boat, it's a great time to walk around the interior and exterior and check for any damage, wear, or dirty spots. Some key places to check are going to be the exterior gel coat, your upholstery, and any other interior surfaces that get walked on a lot or high traffic areas. This will allow you to identify existing wear and tear and prevent new damage from occurring. If you guys have any more tips or tricks that we may have left out, please leave a comment. We'd love to hear how you guys are taking care of your boat after a day on the water. For more tips and tricks like this, check out our YouTube page or visit our Knowledge Center at www.skiersmarine.com.